There are clear signs of a slowdown in the manufacturing and the industrial sectors. In the past 5 years, nearly 68 million people have returned to farming, leading to increased competition and declining income per farmer. An alarming trend for a sector which contributes around 15% to the Indian economy. The government is expected to respond by increasing the allocation for agriculture in Budget 2025. Some say the hike to address falling rural incomes could be as much as 15%. These include proposals for cheaper loans to farmers, expanding the scope of crop insurance schemes, earmarking additional funds for animal husbandry and fisheries. Additional long-term measures could include allocations for research into high-yield seed varieties, strengthening storage and supply chains, and a greater focus on cash crops. But the big spends do not end here. The need to strengthen the social security net for the poor is stronger than ever, with the economic triad of growth, jobs and prices likely to headline the finance minister's concerns. Analysts say the government will boost capex significantly, focusing on infrastructure projects like roads, railways and digital initiatives. This investment is crucial for stimulating economic growth and job creation. An increased focus is likely on encouraging public-private partnerships in the infra sector, which can enhance efficiency and spur job creation while sharing financial risk. The budget is expected to introduce new schemes aimed at skilling over 4 crore youth, making them job-ready. Changes are also likely in the income tax slabs to provide relief to middle-income earners, boosting disposable income and consumption. Funding could also be raised for social welfare programs to ensure price rise does not impact the financially vulnerable population. An increased allocation is also expected in the health and education sectors. And while the government has already announced its target of hitting the 4.5% fiscal deficit mark in financial year 2026, the finance minister is likely to retain flexibility in its fiscal policies to respond to economic hurdles created by global geopolitical uncertainties. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.